All right, hello Idaho Air volunteers. This video is designed to show you how our new event registration app works. A little bit of background, Dasha and I went and did some research on other automotive event registration software. We were not happy with what we found, so we decided to build our own. So I'll make a prettier marketing website, but we'll make this application available for use by anybody else who's hosting automotive events. It's really, really cool. So I'll make a much prettier website. But it's, I think, the most powerful system out there, or at least the best built one. So here we're going to be talking about the volunteer experience. So in the email that you're receiving here, you're basically just going to go to the event name /check-in. The actual event name is already set up. All of the people have been logged in here, so the link's going to be Idaho Air .pitform, which is the name of my product, /check-in. But I have a test event here called Pitform test, so you can see how it works. You will enter your PIN code, which is in email, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that's it. And here you can search by participant or add a walk-up. You can search by name, vehicle, phone number, etc. And if you can't find a car or a person, make sure you ask if they registered under their spouse's name or email address or phone number, because we're seeing that a lot, okay? So that's basically it. So you search for the car, and then the registered user, and then you check them in. In this particular case, I'll pick a car that's already loaded here. So it's the 1994 Porsche 879, fictitious car, of course. And that is under Kelly Test. So there it is. So I look them up, and all I do is I hit check-in, okay? All right, now that person's checked in. You'll hand them a QR code, which we will have pre-printed. The QR codes, of course, are not pre-associated with any particular car. That would be too much of a management hassle. So you hand them the QR code, then they can just drive off and go park the car and scan the QR code themselves to link the QR code to the vehicle. Or if you want, you can do it for them here. If you choose to send them on their way, you can hit check-in next and move on to the next one. So that's pretty much it. In this case, we'll link the QR code, and it kind of does what you think it does, just looks like this. And as soon as you scan it, it will associate that QR code with the vehicle. Why would you want to encourage drivers to do this? Because people can walk by, scan the QR code, learn about their car, and also vote on the car for different categories. So that's how it works. If you go check in next or walk up, you can add a walk up like this. And here, if you add a walk up, you will 1973 Porsche 911 Carrera. This is somebody that did not pre-register, right? So you can register them like this. This email already exists, okay? So we'll say Kelly at, let's see, Idaho Air Porsche at Gmail. Let's see if this one. Can't do a walk-up that's already in the system, right? And that's it. So here you scan, they pay, this goes right to the Stripe link, and then you can mark them as paid. And then from here, link their QR code or send them on their way, and they can scan the QR code themselves. So when they scan the QR code, they'll be asked, are you the owner of the car, yes or no? So that's how that works. By the way, I should tell you that when you scan the QR code, the owner has the chance there to upload all the information about their car if they want. And there people can share the car like attendees. This is really cool, right? They can upload videos, people can see full screen videos. And again, the QR code is where they scan and vote. We set up the voting categories on the back end of the system here. This is where we set ticket types and everything else in case you're interested. I'm gonna do another video on this, but that's not what you need to know about. You just need to know about the volunteer app. Really, really simple. Just a simple PIN code, simple address. Again, it's going to be here. We'll remind you all at the event. And I want to say thank you so much for your help and support. We would not be able to do this without the volunteers. So we really appreciate it. Thank you.